So, good afternoon, guys. This is the hitapp of describe the image intent for the query. The UI is same. You can so the main intent of this hitapp is that to find the image intent. So someone from the United States type this following query. So it is about gay flag blue. So the question is you have to answer these questions like describe in few sentences in English what is the most likely image intent of this query. So we don't know that about this query, right? So you have these options like being image, Google image. You can research on on click by clicking on Bing or Google or these links. So yeah, already you can see that I am already researching regarding this query, and in Google image or Bing image you can find this is the flag. These are the images of the flag, and from the search result you can also find that some of the websites are talking about various information about LGBT plus symbols. There are some forums which are discussing about this flag, and you have also Wikipedia article to know more about this flag. And but the most likely intent is to find an image and download the image or buy this or there is there is e-commerce link here where you can buy this flag. So the intent may be to research. From this search result I can conclude that the intent may be to search about this flag, to download the image of this flag, or to purchase this flag from an e-commerce store. These are the likely image intent. But yeah, so I'm going to write this what I'm saying. So first of all, you need to identify the image intent, and you just need to type in your own language. So the most likely image intents here are: one, to download an image of this flag; the second one is to find information about this flag as per the search as per the search result research. And the third is to buy this flag from e-commerce store or offline or from offline store. So these are the intents. From my research, I can find that these may be the intents. The first intent is the to download the image of this flag. The second one is to find the information about this flag. These are the intents. Now I can see that here what type of image results would be useful here. So because is this hitapp goal is to find the image intent, not all the intents. Here I have intents like to find the information to buy this flag from e-commerce. So these are not image intents. So what type of image results will be usable here? So you need to consider that image intent, image results. So as per this Google image result, you can see that mainly the image of flags of are useful. Some of the flags are old flag because um, there are two version of this flag. One is the new version and one is the old version. So the user may want to download both the old and the new. So the image, so I am going to write this. User will be various images of this flag. Since there are two versions of this flag, the old one and the new one, so both of these, both of the images should appear as result and should be downloadable. Now the third question is that if a user made this query from somewhere other than United States, so would you expect the result to change really? If the user outside of USA, if they put this query into the search engine, whether this flag will change? No, obviously not. So it is not location dependent query, right? So the option is so this option no. We select this option no. So this is the heat app. Hope you understand this heat app. If you have any question, you can put your question in the comment section. So I will answer your question. And if you want to, if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, and share. Subscription is necessary because of more informative videos like this. You should click on the bell icon to have all the notification. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.